Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 525. This is on MOS or Mosaic. Really interesting space to be in the current market conditions. This details one of my favorite, if not the favorite, Elliott wave directional pattern that we have. And in addition to this, if you take a look over here at the mark-to-market graph, it also details the fact that if one has a system where they just exit at an X percentage loss, say a 50% loss, you would have been stopped out of this trade twice and missed out on a really nice gain. Elliott wave constantly reminds us that the market doesn't move in a straight line. It moves in a series of impulses and corrections. So taking a look at the chart on the entry alert that was sent out, you can see that my favorite pattern, if you're not aware of it, is a zigzag pattern located within a wave 3. That's exactly what we have going on in this pattern. You can see the extension here right to 61.8. Well, at this point, you look to see, okay, do we have momentum to reach the next fib level, which would be a 100% extension, which also happens to coincide with the wave 5 tap box, which is a time and price projection, so the projected wave 5 target. Sometimes the wave 3 goes there, and we utilize our confirming indicators to see what the odds are of that occurring. And in this case, we had a supportive DMI. The ADX had broken above 20, separation between the two directional indicators, moving to the upside there. So all the pieces that you look for in the DMI, if you've heard any of these recordings, you've heard me talk about the DMI numerous times. So favorite pattern, zigzag went in a wave 3, momentum to the upside, two targets coinciding at the same price level, two Elliott wave targets, the C wave extension on the zigzag as well as that wave 5 projection. So really good entry. It looked at the time we sent this out. Well, as it played out, you can see here that we did get a bit of a pullback. That's the issue with the wave 3, right? At some point you're going to have a wave 4. But we never took out those lows from the B wave on the zigzag pattern, so you stay with the pattern. The pattern has not become disqualified. So even though the stock was moving down a little bit, the position was moving down, hit a 50% loss, the pattern hadn't changed, so you stay with it, and that was rewarded. The patience was rewarded. We ran up to the upside, hit the target dead on the nose, both that C wave extension on the zigzag as well as that wave 5 projection. When you hit your price target, it's time to take the gain, close the position off. When your plan becomes realized, don't get greedy, don't hang around. So in the end, this alert ended up generating a nice just under 63% return in just 22 days. So even though we had a little bit of a corrective move within the pattern before it moved to the upside, it still only took 3 weeks to make nearly 63%. I hope you found that informative, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.